I don't even know these words. I can't even say this. Isn't this what happens when you speak English? I'm sure many of you have faced similar challenges, but have used simple English words and moved on. Using unnatural English, that might not be exactly like what native speakers use, but can still be understood, is okay if we use English as a tool. Since most of our conversations consist of explaining things through the explanatory text of the words and phrases mentioned here, a small sense of the English language may be refined. This is an attempt to do so. Reading practice. For speaking. Read silently or aloud, as if you were telling it to someone else. Audio will be without repetition, with a brief pause between each chunk or sentence.
A vending machine is a machine that sells things. You put money in, and the machine gives you what you want. It's like a little shop that works all by itself. You can find vending machines everywhere. They sell many things, like drinks, snacks, and even toys. It's very easy to use. Just choose what you want. Put in the money, and the machine gives you your item. It's that simple. In many places like stations, shops, or offices, there is a special box with food and drinks inside. This box is called a vending machine. The vending machine has clear glass windows. So you can see what is for sale inside. There are usually snacks like chips, cookies, or candy. Also hot and cold drinks like water, juice, coffee, or soda. To buy something, first you look through the windows. To choose what you want, then you put money like coins into the slot. The machine has pictures showing the prices for each item. After inserting money, press the button or number for your selection. The machine will drop the product down for you to take. Make sure to take your change if any is returned. Vending machines are convenient. For buying snacks or drinks anytime. Without waiting in line. Just follow the simple steps to get your item. They are very common now in many public places. A vending machine is a machine that sells things like drinks and snacks. You can use coins, a credit card, or even your phone. To pay for the things you want. To use a vending machine, you first need to select the item you want. You can do this by pressing the button on the machine. Once you have selected your item, you need to pay for it. You can do this by inserting coins, swiping your credit card, or scanning your phone. After you have paid, the item will be dispensed from the machine. A vending machine is a special box where you can buy small things like drinks or snacks without talking to a person. Inside the machine, there are shelves with product items. Like water bottles, chips, or candy. To get the product, you first put money into the vending machine. There are buttons on the front to select which item you want. When you push the button, the machine uses electricity to drop your chosen item down a space. So you can take it. The money you put in gets subtracted from the price of the item on display. Vending machines take coins like quarters. Or bills like 1s and 5s. They are helpful because you can shop from them anytime. Without waiting in a line. Common places to find vending machines. Are at schools, offices, or near parks. For quick food on the go.